In the population composition, we were talking about Bangladesh and Japan. Now, when I talk of Bangladesh and Japan, both of them are highly populated countries. But this does not mean that both the countries are economically developed. One is a very developed country and the other is a poorly developed country. So, it is not the population which can actually change the scenario of development in the country. Now, let us move on to the population pyramid. Whenever we have to denote certain thing, we do it by some method. And here when we have to demarcate about the population, we do it by the population pyramid. This pyramid helps us in assessing the various age groups of the country, that is whether there are more number of children or the young, that is the adults, or the old age. It also helps us to know the number of males and females in the country. So, there are two things which the pyramid, population pyramid, helps us in determining. That is the age group of the population and the males or the females of the country. When we draw the population pyramid, it is always drawn in this manner. We have at the bottom, we have the children, in the middle we have the young group, and on the top we have the people above 65 years of age. That is, on the top and the bottom we have the dependent population, in the middle we have the active independent population. Now, there are various pyramids that you will come across. If you see a pyramid with a broad base, this means, and this broad base which is slowly narrowing at the top, this means the population is increasing or the birth rate is high, and the example will be Kenya. You see, broad is base, which means that at the bottom we had children, therefore the number of births is more. When I talk of a broader younger age group, that is, the middle is little broader, that is, the number of children are growing into adulthood. Now, that stage has come wherein we have good medical facilities and the infants are not dying, they are reaching the middle age group. That is the time we have a broader younger age group, the middle group is the higher. The example is India. The third pyramid could be that you have a very narrow base. Base means children. That is, when you have a narrow base, it clearly indicates that the birth rate is low in the country, which means a country like Japan. But we all know that we need healthy, strong, educated and good citizens, and that is the requirement of any country's population. That was the end of your chapter. Thank you.